let's do a garden update. Let's start with my peppers as usual. The jalapenos, the Chinese 5-color. I'm gonna let some of them get as ripe as they can to see how dark of red they get. These are my Mexican sunflowers. It was very hot today. It's my toad, my marigolds and dahlias, my serranos. Really exciting because my guajillos are starting to get like deep brown red color. Here's another one. My basil, that's one stalk. My green basil, also just one stalk. My black-eyed Susans, they really look like they're dying already. Okay, this is where my dahlias were, if you remember. I put 3 tomatoes in there. I don't know if I've told you guys that I put my tomatoes in like random spots in the garden because I didn't know where to put them, so... And then I ran out of popsicle sticks, so all those red Solo cups are me remembering what everything is. My zinnias also really look like they're dying already. My cosmos, I'm getting a lot of purple ones, which I really love. A lot of pink ones. This is one I don't think I've seen yet. Look at that. So cute. My zucchini is smaller than it probably should be at this stage because I'm pretty sure these flowers cover the sun, the way the sun goes over the garden. My cucumber, same. I have another tomato there randomly, another marigold. My zinnias, I just watered, that's why everything's like fallen over. My sunflowers, not in their best days. Obviously there's no more Velvet Queen sunflower. My Goldie Honey Bear, I'm getting new ones, so I really love that sunflower. My black cherry, the tomatoes really adapted to this hot weather pretty well. And then I've been putting marigolds everywhere I can. My Bella Rosa, love these tomatoes. That one's I should probably harvest that now. These marigolds are getting out of control, which I love. I love these red marigolds. My Roma. Okay, I'm actually gonna harvest this one because I didn't realize some down there are splitting and bugs are getting them. They're getting really red. Maybe that's how I was supposed to be harvesting them this whole time. Oh well. My Sweet Million. The tomatoes are getting smaller and smaller. I know it's given its best, but I mean, look at these. These look like little blueberries. And then we have a red cherry in here and a carbon over there. My Rudbeckias are always one of my favorite things to look at. We have those yellow kind, those kind, these really red and orange ones. These are new. That's like really red. And then these brown ones, I like these brown ones a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much how the garden's doing. It's not looking, it's the best it has, if I'm being honest, but it's very much in a functional state right now. It's July, it's hard, it's hot. I'm just trying to get through July, if I'm being honest.